Today we're going to talk about volume of triangular and rectangular prisms. So the formula for volume of the prism is the same for a rectangular prism and a triangular prism. And the formula is volume equals capital B times H. And each letter stands for something. So capital B is going to be your area of the base. So if it's a triangular prism, you are going to take the area of the triangle. If it's a rectangular prism, you're going to take the area of the base rectangle. H is going to be your height. You will use this volume equals base times height for both prisms that we are going to work through. So here's our first problem. We have a rectangular prism. And we are going to have 26, 13, and 11 inches. So we are going to look at our base. And for a rectangular prism, it doesn't really matter which one you use as the base. So we are going to use this one right here as the base. So volume equals area of the base times height. And again, these are the steps I want you to see. I understand that you may think that you can do this shortcut in your calculator, but that is not going to be acceptable, so you need to show your work. So area of the base is, our area of the base is going to be the area of this rectangle, which is 13 times 11, times our height, which is 26. So 13 times 11 times 26 is 3,718 inches. The symbol that we're going to use, we use squared for surface area. For volume, we are going to use a 3, which means cubed. That means that is how much we can put inside of this rectangular prism. It's okay. Bye, see you tomorrow. Next, we're going to look at some triangular prisms. Remember, our formula is the same. We are just going to have a different formula to use for area of the base. So here is our triangle. So here's our prism. Remember, the base of this is the triangle. So we have 6, 9, and 13 meters. Volume equals area of the base times the height. Our base is our triangle. So the formula for our triangle is 1/2 of 6 times 9 times our height, which is 13. So you can do that in your calculator, which should give you 351 meters cubed. All right, let's try one more. All right, so here's our triangular prism. We have 7 feet as our height, 6.5 feet as our base, and 6 feet as the height of our actual prism. So our formula is volume equals base times height. So the area of the base is this triangle. So it is 1/2 of the base of the triangle, which is 6.5, times the height of the triangle, which is 7, times the height of the prism, which is this, which is 6. So now we can do that in our calculator. 0.5 times 6.5 times 7 times 6 is 136.5 feet cubed. So hopefully this wasn't too bad. It's just using formulas that you already know and putting them together and then multiplying to find out how much will fill a figure. Make sure you bring your notes tomorrow so that we can work on volume of prisms in class.